Hello there, taking a quick look here at this mini UFO. This is made by Hasakee. It's a mini 6-axis aircraft. Came on this box. You get the remote, the memory stick that you put the SD card here, and you could put on the computer and transfer photos and video. The manual over here, the aircraft right here, and some extra propellers and the charging USB cable. This is different here. It is not a micro USB or anything that I've seen before. This one is different. This is kind of stronger cable. Just put it over here to charge. You got the power button here. It comes already assembled with the propeller guards, and it has the camera right here, right on top. Camera for video and photos. So some extra propellers. It's a nice color. It's pretty good. Something else here, it comes also with a 4 GB micro SD card. Just push it here to take it out. It's a 4 GB SD card. As you see here in the manual, you get a description on what everything does, every button and sticks. Alright, so I'm gonna try to keep the drone in the camera frame. Let's turn it on over here. It's looking that way. You bind it here. Alright, trim left, trim right, trim forward, trim backwards. Alright, 2 speeds. This is the first one, second speed, only 2 speeds. This is for 3D flips. You press here, if you go right, it'll go right. 3D flips like that. You press, if you go left, it'll go left, and forward, it'll go forward. If you press on backwards, it'll flip backwards. It should start working now. Pretty steady drone. So it is not altitude hold, but you can manage over here and just leave it wherever you want. It's pretty steady. This button over here is for the speed. That's the second speed. That way it will respond better. So it only has 2 speeds. And over here, this button on the right is for 3D flips. I'm gonna press this button here. There you go. Pretty nice and steady drone. It charges very quick. Alright, so this is some video footage from the drone. As you can see, it's a little bit shaky, but this is not for Hollywood filming. Just to go by to see where the copter is looking at. It's a pretty nice drone. It charges quick. Nice design. It's a little bit windy and it's performing nice. Hey, can you press the helpful button under this review? That way I know someone watched the video. Can you help my channel by subscribing? We gladly appreciate it. Well, thank you for watching.